Salut pour tous, soyez les bienvenus dans le programme Planète Équitable avec Ed Zanetti. And welcome to you all which are following our series about the new carbon market. We used the previous week to talk about the similarities and the difference between the Kyoto Protocol and the now ongoing Paris Agreement. And we have three main points that we would like to fixate for us when we will be further developing our work on this Paris Agreement market, the A6.4 mechanism. We learned that we now have to obey the 100 years rule. So any credit which doesn't prove a permanence of over 100 years within the terrestrial or oceanic ecosystem will suffer heavy discount rates. We also know that any project that goes into in the field today needs to cooperate with fulfilling the SDG 2030 goals of the United Nations. So the projects must involve creation of jobs and incomes besides improving the environmental quality. And we also learned that we have 18 different technologies which can be financed by the Kyoto Protocol, the Paris Agreement procedures, and they can be registered at the new 6.4 mechanism, both voluntary and regulatory. So the 6.4 mechanism allows for registering of both kinds of credits, the voluntary and the regulatory. So there won't be any credit coming that should be used in the planet that doesn't have the possibility of being registered within the UNFCCC. And now we will be starting to talk, to discuss the 18 technologies that can be financed by the procedures. And there are three main areas we will be talking about. The clean industry investments, the investment on an industry which create jobs and incomes and doesn't pollute the air. Then we have the companies, the business of cleaning the air. So we have technologies that uptake the CO2 from the atmosphere and store it in different products for over 100 years. And we'll be talking about social housing, which is a special case for developing country. And finally, when we have a specific location, we can have a natural asset company, which is dedicated to improve natural assets and how they provide ecosystem service to society. Follow us to learn more. Let God's peace and the love that builds be our weapons on our daily struggle for justice. Ed Zanetti for tous les amis africains.